I know I've been ghost for a while, but your girl is back and I'm bringing a different type of video. Ha, girl. I know, I'm so generous. But yeah, I got my sister here with me and she has relaxed hair and she wants to get this girl curly, so we gon' curl it, okay? So if you want to know how I achieve this, stay tuned. So first things first, you're going to want to detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb, minimize breakage and whatnot. And then we're going to put this hair up with some duck clips? Yes, okay. Whatever it is, clips, pins, whatever. Put your hair up, section it off, and we going to get started. So as you can see, you don't have to section off your hair very neat, just section it off. It's going to be okay. All right. And then, you didn't see that, okay? You did not see that. But moving along, we're just gonna take a section of that section and then wet that hair a little bit to dampen it up. Then you're just gonna take any old moisturizer. Personally, I like this one because it's cheap, it has great ingredients in it, and it's just really moisturizing. And then we're gonna take a curl defining cream. Again, this is cheap. I don't know how to feel about it yet. It's a new product that I have, but so far so good. It actually made her curls defined. Then I'm taking this Argan oil gel, and yes, I got this at Dollar Tree. It's $1, but it does the job, yo. It really does. Like, don't sleep out here. This shit is just like Ego. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't be cursing out here. I know that YouTube is gonna be flagging videos, so I can't do that. Hopefully YouTube don't flag this one, okay? But yeah, then you're gonna braid up that section, and at the end you're going to use a perm rod just to keep the ends secured and curled up. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it so you guys could get the hang of it. It's not hard at all. You could probably even do it on your own head if you have the patience, which I don't. When my hair was relaxed, yes, I said when, because your girl did the big chop, but I'll get into that in another video. But when I had relaxed hair, I used to do this on my hair and it used to take like an hour or two. But when I took it down though, people were looking at me like, girl, your hair is man nice. I'm like, thank you. No one would know my hair is relaxed. But yeah, if you guys are just wondering, yes, her hair is dyed at the ends. It was a red, and I did the red, by the way. Yes, you already know, future hairdresser. Nah, I'm playing. I'm not gonna be a hairdresser. But I do hair and whatnot, but I had dyed her hair like a nice burgundy red, and it lasted so long. Now it just started to fade, but she kind of wants to color back, so I might make another video on how to dye hair. Okay, stay tuned for all that. Stay tuned. Keep in mind that the size of these braids don't even matter. If you want, you could even do twists. It doesn't have to be braids, but in my opinion, braids have a lot more definition than twists. And yeah, the bigger you do the braids, the more chunky the curls will be. The smaller you do the braids, the more defined the curls will be. So depends on the definition that you want and the patience that you have. All of that comes into consideration. On my channel, I even want to show how to maintain relaxed hair and grow relaxed hair, healthy relaxed hair, because my hair, when it was relaxed, it was pretty much healthy. If you go into my other videos, you will see that for yourself. And my sister, as you can see, has thick full hair as a relaxed girl. So I think that I should provide some tips on how to treat relaxed hair. So when when you reach the top, you're gonna want to make sure that your parting is already there. So you don't want to braid up your whole head and then take down the braids and then part it, because then your hair will be frizzy. So you want to part your hair either in a side part or a middle part or a deep side part, however you want it, and then braid, so that when you take it down, everything is laid and slayed. And then on the top, I like to put a little jam or a little edge control or gel on the top just to slick it down so the top looks nice and neat. And then you can also add it to the edges, which I am doing here as well. So after all that, you're just gonna go to bed and let this air dry completely. If it's not completely dry, it's gonna be frizzy and it's not gonna have as much curl definition. But yeah, she went to sleep, she woke up, and we began taking down them braids. And when I tell you, her curls were defined. Her curls were defined. Like, look at them curls. They looking so juicy. Juicy. Please disregard what's on my hand. It's makeup. I did her makeup as well because this was a makeover series. So if you want to see how I did her makeup, check the video that's right after this. Yeah, so this is how it looks when you take down all the braids. As you can see, it's flowy, the curls are juicy, everything's popping, curl definition is definitely there. But yeah, just to volumize the roots and make it look natural and get rid of the sections or parts, we're just going to take a pick and fluff it out. And fluff, 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 and fluff until your hair looks really nice and natural. And then even pull apart the curls to add a little more volume. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then we're just going to slay those edges. You know, we're not done. By the way, don't you see the makeup? I slayed that. So that's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you want to know how I did her makeup, part 2 is coming up in a matter of seconds. So as soon as you're done watching this video, you should be able to watch that video as well. And I just want to apologize really quickly for not posting. I had moved and my setup, I no longer have it. So, you know, I have to make the best of what I got, which is this setup right now. So now that I'm used to making videos, I'm going to try to post more frequently. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah!